Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be talking about data types. So before we answer what data types are, let's just understand what data is, right? So data is anything you know, anything you have, or anything you are. So you yourself are data. So if you go on Facebook and you look up this profile of this guy called John Doe, he apparently has an age of 24 and he weighs 100 pounds and a half and he's married. All of these elements are data, but they have types. So let's break it down a bit. So the name John Doe, which is here a literal, which is a word, in Python and in any programming language is called a string, right? The age is 24. In Python and programming languages in general, they're called integers, and they're referred to as int. Anything that has a decimal point is usually called either a float or a double. A float is basically something that has, for example, 100.567, but a double is something that has a lot of numbers after the floating point, such as pi, 3.1459, and then it goes on until the end of the screen of the calculator. That's a double. It's basically double the precision, right? But we're going to be referring to most of these types as float data type. Now, the final one, which is a peculiar one, this is basically true or false. So, are you married? Yes or no? Is he alive? Yes or no? It's a yes or no question. It doesn't have a metric, just simply yes or no. But in Python, it's described as true or false. So it's either true or false. True or false in Python is basically a Boolean value. So if it's true, it's a Boolean value. If it's false, it's a Boolean value. That's it. So these are the four basic data types that you will deal with in any programming language and not just Python. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.